Hey there! If you're tuning in today, it's probably because you're going through a tough breakup. First of all, I'm really sorry you're feeling this way. It's never easy. But I'm here to help you get through it. Today, we're diving into the ultimate breakup survival guide. Let's get started. First up, self-care. It might sound cliche, but it's crucial. Take time to pamper yourself, whether it's a long bath, a good book, or just a walk in the park. Do something that makes you feel good. It's not about forgetting, it's about healing. Next, reach out to your support system. Friends, family, even a therapist if you need one. Talking about your feelings is important. Bottling it up will only make things harder. Remember, it's okay to ask for help. Then, consider creating a breakup playlist. Music can be incredibly therapeutic. Put together songs that help you process your emotions. Whether you need a good cry or a motivational boost, there's a song for that. Another tip: stay active. Exercise releases endorphins, which can help improve your mood. You don't have to run a marathon, just find something you enjoy. Yoga, dancing, or even just a brisk walk. Keep your body moving and your mind will follow. Now let's talk about decluttering. Get rid of items that remind you of your ex. You don't have to throw them away, but put them out of sight for now. Create a space that feels fresh and new, a space that belongs to you. And finally, set new goals. Focus on your personal growth. Is there something you've always wanted to do? A hobby, a class, or even a new career path? Now is the perfect time to pursue it. Turn this heartbreak into an opportunity for self-discovery. Remember, healing is a journey. There will be good days and bad days. Be patient with yourself. You are stronger than you think, and this too shall pass. Thanks for joining me today. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Take care of yourself, and remember, you're not alone in this. See you next time.